What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today we're heading to the dyno again. Hopefully today you know, everything goes smooth. It's Thursday, event is on Saturday. We got the alternator switched out, fuel pump is in. So yeah, hopefully this is the one. Took the day off from work, you know, it's kind of gloomy out, but hopefully the weather holds out and we'll make it over there nice and dry. So yeah, guys, let's give this another shot. Hopefully the second time is a charm. All right, let's go. Let's do a little bit of deja vu here. And look at that, I need to get some gas. Guys, I'm pretty excited. I think this is the one that's going to be it. So hopefully there's no more setbacks, and you know, we have a good dyno session, and you know, go home happy. That's what everybody wants. All right, guys, stay tuned. Let's see how this dyno session goes. Fresh 85. See, I left the trunk rear setup exposed, just in case we got to get to the fuel pumps. You got to swap out this relay here that went bad. I'm going to switch that from a 30 amp to a 70 amp relay. Hopefully we have no setbacks today, man. I really want to get this this dyno thing done. And hopefully the car is running 100%. All right, next stop, dyno. Wiring up the relay with the new 70 amp, just making sure everything's fine, and should be going on soon. Every time I mean, at least me, every time we come to dyno tune, we come down here, the machine's gone wild. Very nice guys, Don and Greg. If you guys down here in South Florida, you're looking for a dyno to tune the car, I would recommend these guys. They're really nice guys. They specialize in Evos and Subarus. All right, so I missed it. We've been battling a blown fuse for the past 3 hours. It wasn't even a blown fuse. It was just like it had like a little bit of corrosion in it. So I went to the corner store to pick up some drinks and stuff for the guys here, and that's made it rip. And I didn't put the cameras to charge. So 1088, 841 torque. You guys can see it for yourself. And we're about to make another pass, and the alternator fried, so we're gonna let it cool off. We took it off the dyno now, and I'm gonna swap out the alternator for another one, and then hopefully we'll make another pass, and then, you know, get it on film. I'm pissed. I'm excited. I don't know what to say. I'm just so disappointed I didn't leave the camera recording, man. It sounded so beautiful. All right. Alternator Friday. Remember I said nothing on Supras goes as planned? Here we are under the car, swapping out the alternator again, because that 1088 pass, it definitely fried this one. So yeah, we're gonna give it another rip and just swap this one out. Well, she's out. Nothing like replacing the alternator on the jack stand and in the parking lot of the dyno. But hey, off for the super, huh? That's right. Remember, built, not bought. Getting close to it. Alright, so I don't want to sound too bad about this, but anybody chasing the 1019 record, that was last year. That's the new number. Tuned by the man himself for the past what, fucking 13 years. Stock Toyota block. Yeah, that's a wrap. And for anybody that says the Dyno Queen, I will be out Saturday at the TRC event doing road racing. So come by, look at the car, say hello. I'll be more than glad to show you. Peace, like and subscribe.